John Kimball Parish, November 18, 1848, June 1, 1932, was an American jurist and politician. Born in Randolph, Vermont, Parish moved to Waupaca, Wisconsin in 1867. He graduated from University of Wisconsin in 1872, studied law, and was admitted to the Wisconsin bar in 1873. Parish then moved to Medford, Wisconsin, in 1873, and practiced law. In 1875, Parish was appointed district attorney of Taylor County, Wisconsin, and was re-elected to the office. In 1885, Parish served in the Wisconsin State Assembly and was a Republican. Parish was then elected Wisconsin Circuit Court judge and served 24 years. Parish died at his son's house in Hermansville, Michigan. Notes: